You're always asking me about Avondale. Not to worry. Today I have a treat for you. I have 3 units for rental, 2 on the ground floor, 1 upstairs. Whichever suits you, you know what to do. Let's go take a look upstairs. So yes, we are upstairs. We have 2 doors. Which one do you think we should use to enter? Let's enter from here. So, no light, excuse that. But wow, this is lovely. So in here, we have our beautiful kitchen right here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. See? Beautiful. I love it. And of course, this set, it actually flows into your dining area, as you can see. Yes, 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 yes. And from your dining area, you have your living area. You can't ask for better than this. This unit upstairs is lovely. And I'm going to tell you part of the reasons why I'm actually in love with this unit. This unit upstairs actually have a bathroom over here. So if you have guests don't need to come into your personal space. There's a full bath in here. Pardon the light, of course. It's a little dark, but there's a full bath in here for you to accommodate your guests and also for your soaking. I know, I am big on soaking, you know. Mercy. So from your dining room, you have your lovely living room, and then we're off to bedroom number 1. So this is bedroom number 1. I am in love with this unit. Now you have your closet here. You have your space up there. You can put your comforters, your suitcase, whatever. Ton of storage. And while we're on storage, let me point this out to you. All from your living area, you actually have another closet here. You can use this as a linen closet, multi-purpose closet, even a pantry. All comes down to you. In this bedroom here, we have an ensuite bathroom. Huge ensuite bathroom. So you're gonna be honest, isn't this bathroom huge? Oh my word, by the way, I love this face basin. It's deep. Well, proper way you can do a little thing here and there. The tub, I love the tub. The tub is relative, wow. I don't know about anybody else. Soaking is my thing. I don't think I'll ever get over it. But this is where I'll be spending a lot of my evenings when I'm from work and I'm exhausted and tired and my feet are swollen. I get that a lot. So let's go and check out bedroom number 2. You remember when I was talking about which entrance I wanted to use? You're gonna know why. This is bedroom number 2. What I love about bedroom number 2, bedroom number 2 have its own entrance and exit. Now that is lovely, if you ask me. Also, if you're in bedroom number 2 and you want to take out a piece of the fried chicken, you're right off from the kitchen. So you can sneak out a little piece of the chicken, you know, nobody would know. Shh, I didn't say that. So we're gonna go downstairs now and we're gonna check out the other bedrooms. So upstairs is 2 bed, 2 bath, living, dining, spacious. Let's go and check out our second unit, unit number 3. Oh, by the way, all these units, ooh la la, they all comes with digital locks. Plus you have your keys. Let me put, see, it's closed. Let me put my code in. There we go. I know I'm a little stocious. Welcome to our cozy, intimate living room. So this is the entrance, y'all. So from your cozy living room, we have our kitchen here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I love the double window here. A lot of breeze coming in while you're in here cooking up a storm. I know. From here, we have our bathroom over here. Now, yeah, let me tell you something. This bathroom is amazing. And you're going to see why. In this bathroom, you have your face basin out here and, of course, your lovely mirror. Nice, right? It is curvaceous, like you or somebody you know. In this area right here, it is so spacious. You can actually put your washer and your dryer here if you choose to. Very, very spacious. Or you can even turn it into a pantry if you want to. And over here we have our beautiful shower. So you have the shower here and the toilet. So you know you have persons who go inside and they want to use the toilet and you are on the outside, you don't want to be a part of that, you can actually close the door. You don't need to be a part of all of that. You can close it while you use the face basin to get yourself together and they're inside, they're handling their business. Let's go and check out our bedroom. You know, I want you to answer this question for me. Is this really a one bedroom? Think about it. There's a bonus in it and you're gonna get to decide what this really is. Come, this is the bedroom. Beautiful, spacious. The window is there for ventilation, breeze, and all of that. And of course you have your closet here. Awesome. I am loving this space. This space is just lovely. I have a bonus. Do you know what that bonus is? This is where you come in. This is where you get to tell Lizzy what you think it is. Let's go. Oh, we are not outside, by the way. We are still inside. Come on. What do you think this room is? Is this another bedroom? Is this a child's room? Is this an office? Or is this a me room? Personally, for me, this would have been my studio for YouTube, you know, because I do all that work. But you get to decide what this room is going to be. You can tell me in the comment section what you think. But isn't this lovely? Look at it, nice. And of course, you do have windows here for more ventilation. And you can exit from here as well. We are back at the front. Yes, 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 yes. So this lovely unit here on the ground floor, this is a 2-bed, 1-bath, plus the bonus is in it for you, trust me. This unit have 2 entrances. You have the back where I'm at, and we have the front. Now this is the front of the unit I am telling you about. So let's enter from the back here. To the back, of course, you can do your gardening if you choose to, which is a plus. So here we are in our beautiful kitchen. Lovely, spacious kitchen, tons of cupboard space as you can see. And what I love about the complex overall, there's tons of windows and ventilation, and you have to appreciate this. You know, over here, you have your dining area over here, which is lovely. You come, you can put a dining table and stuff here. And the option is here as well if you choose to put a washer here. You can do a double stack with washer and dryer, which is great. Now we're in the hall, and we are off to bedroom number 1. Welcome to bedroom number 1. Yes, so as you can see, bedroom number 1 is quite spacious. You have your windows here for your ventilation, which is great. You know, I always talk about ventilation because let me tell you something, you want that natural breeze to be coming in. You have tons of closet space, as you can see, which is a plus. I know. So before I go over to our lovely spacious bathroom. I want to point this out. We have a closet right here in the hallway. You can use it as a pantry, you can use it as a linen closet. Multiple options for this space here for you. So this is our lovely So yes, this is our bathroom. Let's go into bedroom number 2. So this is our secondary bedroom. Well, it is a smaller bedroom. This is suitable for a child or just a smaller, secondary bedroom. But it's nice. You have your windows there. You have drawers here. You have shelves where you can place things. So that's really a plus unto itself because, of course, you need somewhere to put your things. Welcome to our living room. It's beautiful. It's light. It's cool. And what I love about it, you have windows to your left, windows to your right, ton of fresh air to come in, and that's a plus unto itself. So I am loving this, and of course you get to see a nice front yard. And of course, if I was you and I would be watching the soursop tree to see when the next one is ready, so I can get some soursop juice, cause it's right at my window. I'm just saying. Drum roll. Remember I was telling you about the bonus? The bonus is here. Come, it's your time again. So, talk to me. What would you call this room? Would you call this room your office? Would you call this room an extension from your living room? Would you call this room your personal room? I don't know, you tell me. What would you call this room? And of course, this room of its own exit, right? Because this is your front door. I know. And you see, you don't have far to go when you're going to pick the soursop off the tree. Shh. Ah, it's beautiful. And they said soursop tree, the leaves is very good for your nerves. So yeah, you can have that. This complex, what I love about this complex that you may not know, you can actually come and do your gardening. You have tons of space for your gardening, and not everywhere provide that. And that is a plus unto itself. If you love your flowers, if you love your callaloo, if you love your tomatoes, if you love your sweet pepper, your hot pepper, it is all spaces here for you to plant all of that. And in addition to that, if you want some lovely mint tea, you can come out and pick some mint. Ooh, can come pick some mint and have some mint tea in the morning with some good ackee and saltfish and fried dumplings. That's what I'm talking about.